Imagine sitting in a silent room. Someone across from you yawns. Wide. Slow. Unavoidable. And suddenly, you feel it. That pull in your jaw. That stretch in your lungs. That unstoppable wave. Why? Why does a simple mouth movement spread like a virus? Why can't you resist it? And why does it happen even when you're not tired? This isn't coincidence. It's something deeper. Yawning feels ordinary. Almost boring. We do it every day. But contagious yawning? That's different. That's strange. Because when someone else yawns, your brain reacts before you even decide to. It's automatic. It's silent. And it connects us in ways we barely understand. Welcome to Simple Things, Why and How, where the most ordinary moments hide extraordinary secrets. Today, we're uncovering why a simple yawn can spread across a room, like invisible energy. First, let's understand the yawn itself. A yawn is a deep inhale. Your mouth opens wide. Your lungs expand. Your brain gets a fresh rush of oxygen-rich air. For years, scientists thought yawning was just about being tired. But that's only part of the story. Yawning actually helps regulate brain temperature. Yes, temperature. Think of your brain like a computer. When it overheats, it slows down. Yawning is like opening a cooling fan. Fresh air flows in. Blood circulation increases. The brain cools slightly. You reset. But that explains why you yawn. It doesn't explain why you yawn when someone else does. That's where it gets interesting. Inside your brain are special cells called mirror neurons. They are empathy cells. When you see someone perform an action, these neurons fire as if you were doing it yourself. You see someone smile, your brain rehearses the smile. You see someone flinch, your body tenses. You see someone yawn. Your brain mirrors it. Almost instantly. It's not conscious. It's automatic simulation. Like your brain saying, I see you. I understand you. I am with you. But here's the twist. Contagious yawning doesn't affect everyone equally. Young children under the age of 4, they rarely catch yawns. Some individuals with certain social processing conditions, they experience it less frequently. Why? Because contagious yawning is deeply linked to empathy. The stronger your ability to emotionally connect with someone, the more likely you are to catch their yawn. In fact, studies show you're more likely to yawn when family members yawn. Or close friends. Less so with strangers. So ask yourself, when you yawn after someone else, is your brain simply copying? Or is it connecting? The answer is both. Your nervous system is syncing. Like two instruments tuning to the same note. It's social bonding in its simplest form. Let's widen the lens. Humans are social creatures. We survived not because we were the strongest, but because we were connected. We read faces. We sensed emotions. We synchronized behaviors. Contagious yawning may seem small, but it reflects something massive. The ability to share internal states. Even animals experience it. Chimpanzees. Dogs. Even wolves. It appears in species that rely on cooperation. Imagine early humans sitting around a fire. One yawns. Others follow. Not because they're bored, but because their nervous systems are aligning. Preparing for rest together. Staying in rhythm. Like the ocean tides. Like planets orbiting in quiet harmony. A yawn is synchronization. Biology whispering, you are not alone. So the next time someone yawns, and you feel that wave rising inside you, pause. It's not weakness. It's not laziness. It's connection. Your brain reaching across invisible space, mirroring another human being. In a world that often feels divided, your nervous system is still trying to sync, still trying to understand, still trying to belong. A simple yawn, a silent signal, proof that we are wired not just to exist, but to resonate. Maybe that's the real story. Not why we yawn, but why we do it together. Subscribe to Simple Things, Why and How. See you in the next video.